December 6th, 1917, Halifax, Canada. A French ship drifts into the harbor. On board, 2,900 tons of explosives. It catches fire. The crew rows away, screaming in French. Nobody understands them. Thousands gather at their windows to watch the burning ship. In the train station, a dispatcher named Vince Coleman realizes what's coming. A passenger train is minutes away. He stays at his telegraph. His final message: "Hold up the train. Ammunition ship afire. Goodbye, boys." The largest man-made explosion in history before the atomic bomb erased the city.